prices up 4.8% from last year for the Eastern Shore properties. It's Friday, December 22nd, 2023. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Buyer showings on the shore are up 1.8% over this time last year. Purchase contracts up 24% from last week. There are 1,378 homes for sale on the shore, reflecting another slight drop. 43 properties are coming soon for sale, another drop week over week. 124 came to the market since last week, dropping again this week. 62 went under contract, a rise from last week. 72 moved to pending, also a rise for this report. 113 sold at 96.3% list-to-sold ratio, and days before contract fell to 17 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Easton for $5,375,000. There are 138 rentals available for lease on the shore, rising to $2,200 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, December 22nd, 2023. We will be closed Monday for the Christmas holiday. Here's wishing you and yours a very Merry holiday. See you next week.